Hello, good morning, friends. Welcome to the channel Instant Education. In last lecture, we had studied about various trigonometric ratios, and we'll be going further in this lecture. Currently, we are doing chapter number 8, class 10, that is trigonometric functions. Introduction to trigonometry. Okay, so we are done till page number 183. Till trigonometric ratios of 0 and 90 degree. As we had seen in the previous lectures, various ratios of sin theta was opposite side upon hypotenuse, cos theta as adjacent side upon hypotenuse, and tan theta as opposite side upon adjacent side. Now we will be seeing something further into this. So here we have one right angle triangle. This right angle triangle, if I change this AC, the angle of the AC towards AB, that is this side, this side, this side, this side, what's going to happen to my ratios? Okay, so had we had seen what is the value of sin 0? It is nothing but opposite side upon hypotenuse. So when I make this angle as 0, this angle as 0, that is here, what will be opposite side? That is BC. Sin theta equal to BC upon AC. Yes or no? So here BC has become 0 because this angle has come this way. This AC has kept reducing and it has come to 0 upon AC. The answer is going to be 0. Hence we can say the value of sin 0 is 0. It is given. Okay. Now let us take another trigonometric ratio, that is cos theta. What is cos theta? Cos theta is nothing but adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So what is adjacent side? AB upon AC. So if I keep reducing this angle towards 0, then what will happen? This AC will become equal to AB, and now it has become equal to AB. So when I take ratio cos theta equal to adjacent side upon hypotenuse, that is, what is adjacent side here? AB upon AC. Now AB and AC has become equal. I can write AC upon AC equal to 1. Okay, so this is how this angle cos theta is come. Now what is tan theta? Sin theta upon cos theta. This is nothing but, when I take tan 0, what is the value of sin 0? That was 0. What is the value of cos 0? 1. Okay, so it will be 0. Hence the value of tan 0 will be what? 0. Okay, now the inverse of tan 0 is cot 0, that is not defined, since 1 upon 0 becomes infinite. So this is how we can find out the different trigonometric functions. And now let us take this angle as a reference. Okay, so earlier what we had done, we had merged AC towards AB, or we had reduced the angle from AC towards AB. Now what will be doing? Now we'll be doing this process. We'll be merging AC towards BC. So what we get is sin 90 equal to 1. How do we get it? What is the value of sin theta? Is nothing but opposite side upon adjacent side. When I take this angle as a reference, what is opposite side? That is become 1 upon both the sides have become equal. AC and AB, they have become equal, so it has become 1. This is how the value of sin 90 is become 1 and cos 90 will be 0. Okay, so sin and cos both go complementary in this case, which is also evident from the table 8.1. So friends, for today we'll keep it only up to this. In next lecture I'll be covering very important table, that is 8.1, which will be useful for your 10th, 11th, 12th and even further studies. Okay, so if you have any doubts, you can put it in the comment box, and stay connected, keep learning. Thank you so much. Have a good day.